Hello, I am Marisol Rojas. I talking about the legendary conquistadors versus the modern conquistadors. What are conquistadors? The conquistadors are people who extend their domination to another territory, population, or position, generally those is military forces. Introduction. In the old era, the conquistadors have the different characteristics as to distinct areas of life, like social, emotional, intellectual, and physical. Social. In the social area, the conquistador was shown brave and powerful. Wherever the conquistadors like Hernán Cortés had a smaller army in his company against the Aztecs, but they had the horsepower, which was of the biggest advance that the conquistadors have very the Aztecs. The modern conquistadors are so different because the army of each country has many people, rarely are big and they have many and distance are no losses. Emotional. In the emotional area, the old conquistadors we were very happy to torture, maim, and kill in the name of the crusade. This is impossible in the modern time because at current exit the human rights will to protect life. The biggest motivation was finding gold. This I don't have almost any time I like it because in the modern time the metal of value is the money or the power, not is God. Intellectual. In the intellectual area, the conquistador Jews lives because they told to native people that they needed the gold to curate a hair disease. Also, they dominate the native culture with brutal efficiency and they develop cannons, Esther, Arnold, and Croswell. The modern conquistador use of similar strategies because they base on lies to the same people. Physical. The old conquistadors like Hernán Cortés very greedy and gave mysterious to the soldiers, but also exist better people like Francisco Pizarro, who was a very firm man and the trade his went well and gave the 25 points to each soldier and 90 points of silver. They were war armored and weapons, and they were reverent for their strength, determination, determination, and ability to push through is no matter the odds. The modern conquistadors are totally different because they depend on political affiliation and the country that defends. Also, they are so alike in the characteristics like determination and ability. Current standards. In the modern time, really we don't speak about the conquistadors because of the Second World War in the world is prohibited this break practice, but another for why is when a developed country can throw a grain or are interferent in the sovereignty of another country that is in worse conditions. They no longer use methods of massacre and impossibility as they used to do no towards international relations under a modern conditionality. Thank you so much.